Home Remedies presents DIY Collagen Face Mask to uplift your skin naturally. You probably know that collagen is a miracle skin treatment, giving your skin a younger, healthier look by minimizing fine lines and firming the skin. But did you know you can make your own collagen treatment at home? Yes, in today's video, I will share with you a recipe on how to make a DIY collagen face mask at home. Do try it out tonight and refrigerate any leftovers to use within a week. Ingredients: aloe vera gel 1 teaspoon, plain yogurt, unsweetened 1 teaspoon, collagen powder 1 teaspoon, a splash of milk if required to achieve the right consistency. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Preparation: mix all the ingredients in a bowl to get a smooth paste. Application: clean face and neck thoroughly and dry. Apply the collagen mask mixture over the cleansed face, avoiding the eyes. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Apply 2 to 3 times a week for best beauty results. The fabulous benefits you can expect from this face mask are more hydrated skin, minimized lines and wrinkles, minimized pores, as well as a fresh and radiant and glowing complexion. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.